Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Reply All in Outlook email. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your browser. Once you're there and logged in, your email inbox will load up and you'll be ready to make this change. Now, once your email has fully loaded, you'll want to navigate to the top right part of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This gear icon represents your Outlook settings and is where you'll access all the customization options for your email. Go ahead and click on it and an Outlook settings window will appear on your screen. This is your control center for configuring how Outlook behaves for your account. Once your Outlook settings window has opened, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several settings tabs listed there, each handling different aspects of your email experience. Click on the Mail tab to access your email-specific settings. From here, you'll see additional mail settings options appear. Now click on the Compose tab, which controls how you create and send emails. This is where you'll find the setting that determines whether Reply or Reply All is your default action. Scroll down through the options until you find the Reply or Reply All section. This setting is important because it controls what happens when you click the reply button on any email you receive. From this section, simply select the reply option by clicking on the radio button next to it. By doing this, you're setting the reply option as your default, which effectively disables the Reply All feature from being automatically selected. This means that from now on, when you respond to emails, you'll only reply to the sender unless you specifically choose to reply all. Once you've configured this setting, look at the right part of your screen and you'll see a Save button. Click on it to retain the changes you just made, give it a moment to process and save your preferences, and that's it. You've successfully disabled the Reply All default in Outlook, ensuring you won't accidentally send emails to everyone when you only meant to respond to one person. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.